Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia K5 EX. As of right now, this is the highest optioned one you can get. Of course, we have the GT incoming. We have not gotten any quite yet, but they are incoming, hopefully, because I really want to check one out. Total price on this one comes to $32,955. Pretty well optioned glacial white pearl over ash blue interior. It's funny because up here in the interior color it says black, but if you look down in the optional package, this is part of the glacial white pearl with the interior blue interior color package. EX Premium, which includes a very nice front screen, and then you have the carpeted floor mats for, again, total price $32,955. So it's a gray blue color, very nice spec. I definitely like it. Open pore wood grain trim. Very nice looking car. Under the hood is the 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, producing right about 170 horsepower at 191 pound-feet of torque. Do believe that is correct. 8-speed automatic transmission. The GT will get an 8-speed dual clutch. Go ahead, step inside this K5. Here is your upgraded screen. Absolutely phenomenal. All your different menus. What I like here is you have a nice little door closing point. So say you have your seatbelt on, that is quite a big reach, so you can just grab right here and pull in the door. It also is nice because if you're trying to adjust anything, it kind of keeps your hand in check. If you're, say you want to put the window down while cornering, it kind of keeps your hand right there. And if you're driving, you just follow the trim line right in there. Heated cooled seats, of course. You have different drive modes. Heated steering wheel. Drive modes include Smart, Normal, Sport, and Custom. We'll be going in Sport today. Everything here is touch sensitive. Here's your sunroof. Nice panoramic sunroof. Wireless charger. We can just put your phone right in there. But without further ado, go ahead, put it in drive and go for a drive. The K5 has come to replace the Optima for 2021. Optima being, I believe, Kia's best-selling vehicle was the Optima. Might be mistaken. It's definitely one of the most popular. So they had a lot of work to do to make sure that this would be a good replacement, and man is it. It's worlds above the Optima in terms of refinement, performance, and just overall quality. With the turbocharger that's standard on every single trim level, it just provides such a different experience. It's a lot more torquey at lower RPMs. I don't know what they were doing, but whatever. I mean, it's just overall a great little motor. In reality, horsepower figures sell cars, but torque figures are what really matter. And that's what makes diesels so appealing, is their torque figures. So having more torque than horsepower, this little thing can scoot with almost 200 foot-pounds of torque. It is, or pound-feet of torque. It's pretty impressive, to say the least. I mean, it's an excellent overall powertrain for daily drivability and city performance. Hey, we got some incoming Volkswagens. Look at that. Any ID4s? Nope, no ID4s. Overall chassis, I have had this one, not this specific one, but I have had the chance to drive a K5 out on the road. It's a very, very nice chassis. Definitely excited to try the GT. Heard that's a very, very nice platform as well. I've driven the K5 GT's motor in the Sorento, and it's phenomenal. He has the right of way. No matter what, anything that's bigger than you has the right of way. End of story. Oh, don't tell me he's going to try to back up here. I'll go around. Over the speed bump. Oh, it's awesome. It's just a nice swell of torque, man. It's overall a low down, it's happy in the lower RPMs, which is excellent because that's where you're going to be the majority of the time. You're not going to be wringing this thing out day in and day out, and though you can, that's just not what the average consumer is going to do. This is absolutely perfect for getting away from stoplights, stuff like that. Being peppy around town, that's what it's tuned to do, what it's designed to do, and it's just perfect at it. There's really no turbo lag. It's a nice and little tiny turbo, so it's just perfect for the everyday consumer. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.